Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your public profile in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into settings. Now we scroll down and under public profile settings we tap on our name. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on clear public profile. Here it is going to prompt us if we are sure about this thing, and we can tap on clear to continue or cancel if you're not sure. So it's just that simple. It will erase all the things that we have done to our public profile, and whatever content we try to collaborate with to the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.